Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to take you along for the day with me and see what I eat in a day. So currently I'm on the Bodies by Rachel TLM 2.0 program. I've been with Bodies by Rachel for about a year now. I started October 2018. So yeah, I really love it. It's basically macro based, and currently I'm on 1,800 calories a day. And my protein intake is 140 grams. My carbs are at 187 grams and 55 grams of fat. So keep in mind, this does not apply to everyone. This is based on my weight, my height, and me. So I wouldn't suggest that you follow the same thing. What you can do is go on MyFitnessPal. It's a great app to keep track of your food, and it gives you a suggested amount of calories for you in a day based on your height and weight. My goal is to gain muscle. So right now I feel like a lot of my fat, which includes booty fat, everything. So I'm trying to gain all that back, but with muscle instead. So yeah, that's what my calories are based off of right now. I really love this program because I just feel so much better. I don't get migraines anymore. Migraines were a huge problem for me back then. Before I started Bodies by Rachel, I would get a migraine probably like almost every day, honestly. So it's amazing that I don't get those anymore, and I believe it's because of the food, and I wasn't properly feeding my body with the right nutrients it needed. So yeah, if you want to see what I eat in a day, then keep on watching. Okay, so I just got back from the gym. I did my upper body and core workout today. So I'm going to have my post-workout meal and my greens. I'm going to do my oatmeal. I love this. Also, I'm gonna be weighing all my food, because macros, you know. I'm gonna do 85 grams of oatmeal. And then I'm going to add my Orgain creamy, what's this one? The creamy chocolate flavor. I love chocolate milk now. Then I add my frozen strawberries, but I let this sit in the fridge just like that. I do 225 grams of strawberries. So while my oatmeal is prepping in the fridge, I'm just going to have my greens. So I have the Orgain Superfoods, and I just switched to this one, which I'm not even sure if because I was doing the Amazing Greens, and then I was gonna buy it on Amazon, and it's like, warning, this might contain lead. I'm like, maybe I should try something else. But it's weird because they sell it at Sprouts and Walmart, and I don't see a warning, so I don't know, kind of tricky. And then I put some apple cider vinegar and half a lemon. Cheers. This is what my oatmeal looks like. I just put some strawberries, and then I sprinkled some cinnamon on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'll see you guys later for my meal number 2. So I am super behind on my meals. I'm probably supposed to be on my 3rd meal by now, but I'm really gonna eat my 2nd. It's about to be 4. I was filming, and I'm the type of person that is not gonna stop until I'm done. So even though it would take me like maybe 10 minutes to prep my food, it's like, I'm almost done, I'll wait. And then by the end of the video, I'm dying like right now. So I'm just gonna make it real quick. I'm not gonna show it, but I'm not going to show the process of me making it, but I will show you when it's done. It's super simple. Oh, I'm hungry. So I just did a chicken sandwich. For this meal, I did 85 grams of chicken, and I already have it boiled and ready in the fridge because it's always good to have on hand, just so you can make something super quick. You can do like pasta or different stuff. So anyways, I did shredded chicken, 85 grams of that, and then I did 85 grams of avocado, and I just kind of smushed that together. Shredded carrots and some cabbage. And then, this is Mexican to me, but I love this, like, just the juice of this. So I just put a little bit of this. It's the sliced jalapenos. That, and then 70 grams of gluten-free bread. And then we still have a veggie tray left over from yesterday's Sunday football, so 100 grams of veggies. So, like I said, I'm super hungry, so I'm just gonna eat this, and then I still have more chicken in here that I just have to eat by itself. So this is meal number 2, and then I had my snack, which is one of the meals, which was just almonds. So this is 3rd technically. So 2 more left, and then I'll probably have a different makeup look later because I'm gonna go shoot, and I'm not gonna shoot pictures with pink eyeshadows for outfits. So I'm eating my food and she always does this. She knows I had chicken, but look at her sad face. What's wrong? You want my food, huh? Is that what you want? How about I give you a treat instead? Do you want a treat? Come here. Give me your paw. Sit. Paw. Okay. Shake. Okay, I'll go get you your treat. Bye. Okay, so I'm back from shooting and I'm going to have my fourth meal. So I did lean beef, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and then some guacamole as my dressing. And then sweet potato fries. I'm supposed to have double this amount, but there's no way I can eat that much sweet potato, so I'm gonna move the rest of it to my last meal of the day. So if I don't do this salad, then I will do like tacos with the Mission yellow corn tortillas. So yeah, this is pretty much it, and I will see you guys for my last meal. Okay, so here is my last meal. Finally, I have my shrimp with my brown rice noodles, some cucumber with limon y sal, my favorite, pink salt. And then, since I didn't finish my sweet potatoes earlier, I have to eat like 2 pieces of toast. Okay, so that about wraps up this video. This is pretty much what I eat in a day. So for the most part, I just try to make like a different dinner every day, but everything else pretty much stays the same until I get tired of it, and then I'll switch it up to something else that's simple. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and know down in the comments below what you want to see next or what you thought of my daily eating. See you guys next time. Then every day I also... Sorry. I'm gonna kill Steve. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and I wanted to do My name is Vanessa and I